Hey, thank you for joining FieldDay. We're really happy to have you on board. I'm going to show you how to create a project, define your categories, collect some data, and train your first model. So on the homepage, you tap New Project, Vision. Here on the dot, you can rename your project. We'll call it Demo. And when you tap that, you enter the workspace. Here you want to create categories. So you're going to tap on the plus sign at the bottom and create your first category. To make this replicable, we'll use hand gestures. 3 different hand gestures just to start. Great. I'm going to change the colors so they're more distinct. Here we go. I can scroll through the different hand gestures and start collecting data. So I just tap and hold and slide to the right to lock it. And now I'm collecting data. You can see the images coming in. And I'm moving around to get some diversity. And I'm going to aim to have about the same amount of images for each category. I'm trying to keep my hands center because that's where the model is being trained on. But at the same time, I'm trying to go in and out a bit and have different background just to make a more robust model. Great. And to finish up, you need to collect some background data. This is mandatory for every project for now. This helps the model to understand what's in the background and what it should ignore when it's training. This is helping to get a sense of the environment you're working in and what it should not look at. Amazing. We have all the data now in 4 different data bursts. They're roughly the same amount of images. If you tap and scroll, you can see your different images. This helps later on to identify if there's been mislabeling or any mistake. It looks pretty good for now. All the data seems to have been uploaded. So if I close this, on the project space, it will show up that my model is being trained as soon as the process has started. So this will show up on the top of the camera view. There you go. So here, this means the projects are being uploaded to the server where a model is being trained with your dataset. And as soon as this is done, the model comes back to your phone and you can use it on the go. This is a fairly fast process. It would take a minute or 2, depending on the size of your dataset, but I'm going to fast forward for the demo. Great. The model is back, so I can start seeing if it works. Looks to work great. And if you tap play, you enter full screen mode. Great, this seems to work. We're looking forward to see what you're building with FieldDay. Please share on the Discord channel, and if you need help, make sure to check out our YouTube channel. We'll have the latest tricks.